Good evening, all our dear viewers. Today, I, Mehak,
And I, Nitya.
would describe the income classifier project based on binary classification.
The theme of our AI model is demography, and the problem statement is to innovate a system to promote access to technology, skill development, and employment opportunities for backward states and the sections of society.
First comes the problem scoping. Subsidy Incorporation wants to deliver subsidies to various individuals based on their income levels and other parameters such as job type, gender, caste, marital status, etc. It wants us to develop an AI model which can classify the income levels, like if an individual has an income level beyond a certain value or below a certain value, which is 50,000, and plan an outlay of resources according to it. Dealing with the income data is one of the toughest tasks in the world. Thus, we will first simplify the data by reducing the number of variables without compromising with the accuracy of the model. Passing on to Nitya.
Firstly, we will import the important libraries such as Pandas, which is used to read the CSV file and is also required for the data frame. For creating charts, we will be using matplotlib.pyplot, and other library called NumPy will be used to deal with the numerical pattern. Also, we will be reading the data using pd.read_csv function and will be copying the data so that any change in the data while data exploration will not affect the actual dataset. Passing on to Meher.
Then comes the data exploration. Under data exploration, we will first find the data type of variables with the help of command data.info. Then we will find out the missing values with the help of command data.isnul, after which we will look for the summary of numerical values with the help of command data.describe. For the frequency of each category, we will use the command values_counts. Then we will check for the unique values using np.unique command. Passing on to Nitya.
Under data preprocessing, we will be dealing with the missing values and will simplify the data by deleting the rows with missing values using data.drop axis is equal to 0 functions. Also, we will be finding out the relationship between independent variables using data.call functions. Passing on to Meher.
This is followed by data visualization. Under data visualization, we will convert the complex data to user-friendly format by making charts with the help of library matplotlib.pyplot. A box plot is a standardized way of displaying the distribution of data based on 5-number summary, which is minimum value, first quarter, median, third quarter, and maximum value. Passing on to Nitya.
In modeling, we will build a logistic regression model. Logistic regression model is a machine learning algorithm used to predict probabilities of categorical variables. Using the logistic regression, we will build a classifier model based on the available dataset. Next and the last step is modeling, wherein we will create a confusion matrix and will evaluate accuracy score of the model, that is 0.8508 approximately, precision, recall, and the most important, the F1 score. All this will be done using the library called sklearn.math.
With AI model can be used by various government organizations to provide the needy people with the subsidies planned by government. This model will ensure that the poor people get the benefits and the richer sections of the society who already have the resources do not misuse the government policies to their advantage. Thus, with the help of this model, 2 of the sustainable development goals can be achieved. Second goal, which is no poverty, and 10th goal, which is reduced inequalities. With this, I would like to conclude our AI project.